What are you doing? Can you get some more out of here, Savannah? Good job. Brought her own spoon to the party. Woohoo! You getting some?
Nice one. And that one.
Can you say hi? Say hi to the camera. No? He's busy working. Can you say seed?
Seed. Do it.
Good job. Oh, didn't get any? Did you that time? How about now? You're doing good though. You're doing very good. You're a good helper. Oh, I heard one fly out. Keep going. You're doing so good.
What's in there?
Oh, good job. Oops. Got some on the floor. Whoa.
Can you pick it up?
Whoa.
Good job. We put it on here, don't we?
Bloop. Good. Good work.
Slippery, huh?
Back to work.
Get you a seed.
You're a good supervisor, aren't you, Savannah?
Oh, can't get one either now. Oh, there's a seed.
Is the seed stuck? Yeah, put it in your pitcher.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta flip it over like that. There you go. Like that. Whoa.
Did you get one?
Maybe you should just use your hands, Savannah.
Here. Savannah, do you want this?
I'll take the spoon. Take
Take
that.
Oh, you got a seed on your foot.
I'll take that. Thank you.
Thanks. You want this one? Oh, back to work. You're a good worker.
Flip it over. Flip it. Flip it. There you go.
Ta-da! Oh. Whoa! Wow!
Thank you. Back in your shirt. Thank you. There we go.
You gonna get any more out of here? Are we done? Whoa!
What are we gonna do?
You're gonna have to stick your hand in there and get it. Come on, you can do it.
I don't think she'd fit.
It's way down in there.
Yeah. You got a small hole on that pumpkin too.
It's big enough for my hand. She can probably fit her hand in there. Silly. You're doing so good.
The pumpkin's the size of her arm.
Alright, that's probably enough, Savannah. Can you say bye to the camera? Thank you. Bye-bye.